Looking to make the playoffs for the first time since 2005, the Braves opened spring training camp with a familiar piece to the puzzle. The Braves and Jeff Francoeur finally came to terms on a new one-year, $3.375 million deal to avoid an arbitration hearing. He was scheduled to make $460,000 for the 2009 season.
I think for me, I'm so glad to have this done with. Bruce and Frank, they were great yesterday. I know my agent talked with Bruce all day yesterday, and they did a great job of just getting this thing done so we don't have to go out there. And I'm happy, I'm excited and looking forward to the season.
The former Parkview High standout is looking to prove his worth with an adjustment made to his swing. And manager Bobby Cox believes that last year was not a telltale sign of Francoeur's true talent.
And I know that they're on the same side that I am. I know sometimes it doesn't seem like it when you're going to arbitration, but they want me to have a big year to help the team win. And I think absolutely, I think they believe in me. I think they believe my work ethic and what I can do. And, like I said, I'm glad to have that done and past me.
The Braves knew the significance of re-signing Frenchie, which is why this got done before the arbitration hearing. Their hopes are to solidify the overall play of their outfielders and to restore the franchise back to greatness. The Braves and manager Bobby Cox are looking to improve upon a fourth-place finish in the NL East in 2008. So far, they're off to a good start. Only the season will tell. I'm Danielle Pikes with the Braves.